In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave the MidJourney Discord server efficiently and effortlessly. If you're finding it a bit daunting to leave a Discord server, don't worry. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing Discord through your browser, you'll find this walkthrough applicable and easy to follow. To start with, make sure you have Discord open. This can either be in your desktop application or directly through your preferred web browser. Both versions have nearly identical interfaces, so either one you're using will suffice for the steps we're about to cover. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Discord interface. Here, you'll see a list of all your current servers. What you need to do is locate the MidJourney server from this list. The servers are typically represented by icons or sometimes their names, so look for the recognizable MidJourney icon or text. If you're part of many servers, a quick tip is to hover your mouse over the icons to see the server names pop up, which can help you find the MidJourney server faster. Once you've found the MidJourney server among your list, the next step is to right-click on its icon. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Don't worry if you see many options listed there. The one you're looking for is labeled Leave Server. Simply scroll down to find this option in the drop-down menu. After you click on Leave Server, Discord will present you with a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to leave the server. This step is in place to ensure that you don't accidentally leave servers that you still want to be a part of. Double-check that you're indeed selecting the MidJourney server you wish to leave, and when you're ready, go ahead and click the prompt to confirm your choice. By following these steps, you will have successfully left the MidJourney Discord server. If you ever wish to rejoin, remember that you'll need an invite link to get back in, and that's all there is to it. Leaving a server is a straightforward process that keeps your Discord experience organized and relevant to your interests. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Here's to a clutter-free Discord.